What's up, my internet friends? This week I wanted to talk about how you can generate inspiration from your everyday life. More specifically, I'm going to just let you guys into 3 ways I generate inspiration to create an original concept. So let's begin. I think the biggest way I've been able to generate, art inspiration from my everyday life is by tapping into my own emotions. I've literally taken certain emotions and used them to create characters for my works. Most notable examples of this are probably my pink, bubbly night demon characters that were inspired by feelings of self-doubt and anxiety. And also my blue wolf slash badass cyberpunk girl with blue hair named Mona. She represents, a sort of guardian angel character, sort of like this higher power that has always looked out for me. She kind of brings balance to the night demons. And, from those characters, I began to develop backstories as well as additional characters. And that led, to a full-fledged comic book narrative that I've been working on and using to create concepts for paintings and illustrations. It's also sparked like a whole world for my characters and creatures to exist in, or for my artwork in general to exist in. And it's kind of like led me on like an endless path of ideas, to be honest. I think personal emotions and feelings can inspire the best art and help you create something that is undeniably you. With this example, like I turned some negative feelings into some characters and created a battle of positive and negative energy in my works from, feeling shitty one day. I really think anybody can do this. But moving on, the next way I use everyday life to generate art inspiration is kind of hard to explain because it's kind of literal. I don't know how to define it without sounding so obvious, so I'll just state the obvious and say, live your life, bro. Living your life will put you in situations that, as a creative, will naturally make you think, this could be a cool painting, or this rando I just saw could be a cool character idea. But I'll give you a real example here. Let me paint the picture for you, if you will. I wake up on a regular Saturday morning. I'm not thinking of art or making my next piece. I'm just living my regular ass Saturday morning life. That morning, I happen to have a workout class scheduled at 11 a.m. that I'm kind of, not hype about. I go to said workout class, and I'm not gonna lie, the music was jamming that day. It was a boxing class, and the instructor played the song Got It On My Back by Jeezy and Yo Gotti. If YouTube wasn't such a hater when it comes to music copyrights, I would insert the song here, but I'm gonna let y'all do the Googling. But anyway, the song made me think of drawing and or painting one of my prominent characters hunched over with like a cityscape growing out of his back. And, a bit of a literal interpretation of this song that I just heard, but I could have just told you to listen to music and you'll find inspiration. And there's definitely truth to that, but I wanted to provide a real life example of how you can literally stumble onto inspiration by just not looking for it and living your life. Now, before I get to the last tip, I just got a quick word from one of our trusted sponsors. Okay, sponsorship time, friends. I wanted to say that this video is sponsored by, drumroll please, Muddy Merch, your boy's Etsy shop of art merchandise. Oh, sorry. Again, you must have thought your boy had a paid sponsorship. Keep telling you we're not at that level yet, but hey, we're working towards it. In the meantime, go check out some cool merch like these hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeve shirts, as well as pillows. Free shipping is also available within the US. This store is kind of where I take my art and put it on clothing and, you know, stuff like pillows. And who knows, maybe I might make some tote bags this year. Haven't decided yet, but that's what you can expect from the Muddy merch store, so go check it out. All right, so my last tip for generating inspiration is by using your mood to consume specific media. Now, this is a more proactive way of finding inspiration, and let me break it down. What I'm saying here is, if you're in a chill mood, maybe play some chill music that you haven't listened to in a while. Or if you're in a movie watching mood, play a movie that fits how you're feeling. If you're feeling sad, it might be a good time for a sad movie or a sad album. By doing that, I promise you an idea will present itself that you can further research to create something new. You might watch a movie and get inspired by the color palette of a certain scene, then listen to a song lyric that makes you think, that would be a cool title to a painting. And from there, your mind just starts to go. Next thing you know, you're creating like a mood board on Pinterest or Instagram, and from there, the sketching begins. I also want to say, maybe chill mood was a bad example. It's easier to do when you're like, have like a strong feeling attached to that mood, like, yo, I'm just like really irritated right now and I'm gonna play this to get rid of my irritation, or I'm angry so I'm gonna play some angry music, or I'm sad again so I'm gonna play some sad music, etc. That's what I mean when I say use your mood to, I guess, dictate what kind of media you're gonna consume. To wrap up this video, I want to hear about how you guys find and or generate inspiration for your art from your own lives. Drop a comment, share something, leave a like if you're feeling it, or a dislike if you hating. Peace. So you actually stuck around, huh? You think you better than everybody, huh? Well, you are, man. You are! I'm just playing, man. Just a guy that plays too much, you know? If you made it this far, you probably know this is the Patreon shout-out section where I thank my patrons for holding me down. There ain't many of you. There could be more, you know? Check me out, bruh. $1 a month, support your boy. $3 a month, you might get something out of it. 5? You might really get something out of it. But 10? Oh man, we pretty much go together at that point. Check me out. Till next time.